Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are pleased to offer this exceptional Honda Transalp 750, registered the 10th of December 2024 on a 74 plate with only 530 miles and presented in Ross White. This particular Honda Transalp is in outstanding condition as you would expect from such little mileage and a credit to its former keeper, and benefits from full main dealer service history. It's well equipped with easy to read and navigate color TFT display, useful Givi Top Box, and 5 rider modes. The Transalp 750 blends the agility of a mid-weight adventure bike with long-distance comfort and true off-road capability, powered by a responsive 755cc parallel twin engine and packed with modern rider tech. It's your passport to adventure. Whether carving through alpine passes or exploring untamed trails, it is easy to see why it's an MCN award-winning machine. This superb adventure bike also benefits from the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty and AA cover. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK, and we have a number of finance packages to suit all needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you.